Hey guys, it's Alex, and today's tutorial slash video is all about lash tips and tricks. I'm gonna go through applying some of our false lashes in hopes that it would help you apply some false lashes as well. This is a scary subject. I know I used to be terrified of applying lashes, but after a little bit of help, I'm not as bad. So stay tuned if you wanna learn how to apply them. I'm gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna start with our Tarte Double Take Eyeliner in the shade Brown. I'm gonna use the liquid side for a microline. When I do a microline, I think it's the easiest when you kind of like look down and just gently kind of stamp on the eyeliner. That way, you know, if your arm isn't as steady, you're not just kind of going over the place, all over the place. You're just stamping it on, and that's what I would suggest for beginners. That's what I do when I started. I think it is the easiest way to do it. So let me show you how to do it real quick. With the microline, I think you can really see the difference. It gives you a great base to put on some lashes and mascara. So this side has the microline. It looks a little bit more fuller. My lashes look attached to something other than my eyelid. And then this one looks a little bit less full. So we're gonna do the microline on this side and then get ready for mascara. Now that we have both sides microlined, we're gonna go in with our Flower Powered Light Skimmer Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. And quick tip, if you have kind of straight lashes, they can't curl, and you do everything you can to get them curled, before you use your curler, I suggest going from the top of the lash outward, so it kind of gives it a natural curl, and then the mascara will dry with it. So I'll show you guys. So from the top of my lashes, outward. So you're gonna lift it up. So you can really see the difference. I actually curled these lashes from the top outward, and then these lashes I just did how I normally do, but you can see the difference in how much it actually curls them. I have long lashes, but they're not super curly. So I like to go in from the top. Again, I'll just go into these and curl it upward and then apply some coats. For the main event, we're gonna use our Tarte Pro cruelty-free vegan lashes. And I actually am obsessed with this style, Center of Attention. So I'm gonna grab Center of Attention over here and let's get to work. When I first learned how to apply lashes, the biggest mistake that I ever made was applying the lash glue and just putting it on. Like, I didn't realize that you had to wait for the lash glue to dry so that it's tacky and just doesn't slide everywhere. But I'm telling you, that is the one thing that you wanna make sure that you do, is you wanna wait like 30 seconds for the glue to dry before applying them on your eye. Lashes, lid, eyelashes, lid. Before applying the lashes. Now, if you think that the lashes are too long or big for your eye, just to measure it, put it right on top. There's no glue on here. See if you need to cut it anywhere. I don't need to cut them. So just see if you need to cut them. And if you do need to cut them, you cut them from the outer part in. You don't wanna cut off the small little pieces because you want those to stay on your inner corner. So just cut them from the outside. So from right here in to wherever you need to cut them to fit your eye. Now I'm gonna take our Tarte Pro Lash Adhesive, which is latex free and vegan, to stick these bad boys on. So the clear lash glue actually helps a lot because it will turn like a light blue when it's dry and ready for you to place on. Another tip, when you apply, look down and just apply it on that microline that we previously put on our lids so that you kind of have the perfect base, like filling in the lines, the perfect base to where you want to put your false lashes. So I'm gonna look down and apply it right onto that microline. With our Tarte's Pro Little Lash Helper, I like to really stick my lashes together with my real lashes. This also does help if you need help putting them on. I will put the other side on with this so that you can see how to place them perfectly on your eyes. So you can see it turning that like clear blue, which is exactly what we want before putting them on. So now I'm gonna use our little lash helper to put the lashes on, which when I do is, you see the little curvature right there? It's like you're putting it right on the tip of your eye. Right onto your eye. It's curved perfectly. So we're just gonna put the lash, hold it, just like this, and then apply it onto the microline. And now we're just gonna fuse our lashes with the falsies together. To fuse them together even more, I'm gonna go in with a light coat of our Lights Camera Lashes mascara and just coat them up. I feel like no look in the summer is complete without some gloss, so I'm gonna use our H2O glosses. I'm actually gonna use 2 different shades. This is my favorite thing to do at the moment, is use 2 different shades to make my gloss, or to make my lips look full and glossy. So first, I'm gonna take the shade Room Service and add that to the outer portion of my lips. You can see that I left some space for sandy toes, which I'm now gonna put in the middle to make my lips look fuller, because when you have a highlight in the middle of your lips, they look fuller. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick lash guide tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I would love to answer them, help you guys out, because there was once a time when I absolutely sucked at putting lashes on. I could not get it right. I actually asked Mike to put my lashes on once and he put it on in my crease. So I was like, you know what, Alex, you gotta learn how to do it yourself, because Mike couldn't help me. So let me know in the comments below if you need help with anything else. I would love to teach you. And until next time, catch you later. Bye.